Incus is just like TikTok, a short form learning video app where users upload the content.
So normally the blood supply to this womb or else menopause or pregnancy or puberty. So this is the menstrual cycle. Normally what is going to happen? It is divided into two phases according to the ovary. So this is the menstrual cycle. Normally what is going? Okay. Steroids, ovaries are going to release estrogen and progesterone. Finally this is so this is the normal cycle. So once we see what is the time? Yeah, good, fine. Then it will be very helpful for me. And I think.
Hello, doctors and medical. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Incus Learning app. Anything in this world you can explain in 3 minutes. The moment you are able to explain something in 3 minutes, you are able to revise something in 3 minutes, then you have truly learned the concept. So I advise all of you to spice up your preparation, to make it a fun. You also record 3-minute learning videos on various concepts and upload. Everybody will share, like it, become your fan, follower. There's a lot of fun in learning. Today I'm going to make you the champion in diastolic murmurs. So, typically, we have discussed already, flow murmur is a system.
So handwritten notes can be created and a video made on that, and all 3-minute learning videos by thousands of medical students.
Welcome to.
And a very fast way you can swipe, you can like
Hello,
it, you can
guys.
bookmark it, and you
I'm
can
going
also
to
share it
discuss
with your friends. So why wait? Here you have the record button. You can be able to record and upload 3-minute learning videos. Let us revolutionize the education.